In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off pop-up notifications in Microsoft Teams. If you're tired of those little banners popping up on your screen while you're trying to focus, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through the exact settings you need to change on the desktop or web version of Teams so that your notifications are quieter and less distracting without completely missing important messages. First, open Microsoft Teams on your desktop or in your browser if you're using the web version. Look towards the top right corner of the app, where you'll see your profile picture or initials. Right next to that, there's an icon with 3 dots. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This opens a small menu. From that menu, choose Settings. Once the Settings window opens, you'll see a list of categories on the left-hand side. Click on Notifications. This is where you control what kinds of alerts you get and how they appear. Now, scroll until you find the section labeled Chat. This section controls what happens when someone sends you a direct message, mentions you, or reacts to your messages. Under Chat, look for the option called Chat Message Notifications. This is the main setting that controls those pop-up banners for new messages. By default, it's usually set to Show in Banner, which is why you see those notifications appear in the corner of your screen. Click on the drop-down menu next to it. Here, you'll want to change it from Show in Banner to either Off or Only Show in Feed. If you choose Off, you won't get any alerts for chat messages, just like fully muting them. If you choose Only Show in Feed, you'll still see new messages listed in your activity feed inside Teams, but you won't get those pop-up banners on your screen. For most people, Only Show in Feed is a nice balance between staying informed and reducing distractions. Next, we'll adjust mentions and reactions. Still in the chat section, find the options for @mentions and for likes and reactions. These are usually set to Show in Activity and Banner, which means they not only appear in your activity feed, but also trigger a pop-up. Click the drop-down next to each of these and change them to Show in Activity. By doing this, you'll still be able to see when someone mentions you directly or reacts to your message, but those alerts will stay inside Teams instead of interrupting you on your screen. Once you've made these changes, you can simply close the settings window. Your new notification preferences are saved automatically, and those pop-up banners should stop getting in your way while you work.